This is a tutorial on loading and preparing prompt lists. Now on the right hand side of the display here you see a preloaded set of prompts. If we select a different prompt in this list, you see it appear in the caption bar at the top, and you can have images associated with the text, and you can also have an audio prompt associated with the text, or even a video. Now to edit or load a new prompt list, you click on this button on the right hand side. And this brings up a dialog. Now at the top are a set of prompt lists that have already been loaded for the current client. And at the bottom there's a set of prompt lists which are pre-prepared and stored in the folder, in the Sonaspeech folder. So if we take a quick look at that, in the Sonaspeech folder we have a folder called prompts, and Sonaspeech will automatically look there, and here we can find a list of files. Now these take the form of a tab delimited text file. So if we open this one up, for instance, it'll open it up with open it up in Excel, but you could easily open it up in Notepad. And it's got in the first column the actual text prompt, and then in the second column it has an image, if an image is associated with it, and in the third column we've got an audio file, if an audio file is associated with it. So if we go back to our dialog. So these are the CSV files here, the pre-prepared prompt lists, and you can select one of these if you wish, and let's pick a different one. You can select one of these if you wish and add it, and it adds it to the installed list for that client. And then you can simply select that list. So here we've got this new list. This one doesn't have any images associated. Okay, so let's do that again. We'll go back into the prompt list editor. Now you can create your own CSV files with your own text and associated waveforms and videos, or you can edit within the dialog. If we click this edit button, here we have a set of options at the top. The first one here, we can create a new list, and with this second button you can cut and paste text that you've maybe pre-prepared in a Word document or a Notepad document and paste it into this space here. Once you've created your list, let's just create a new list and call this new list, and we'll put in some text. That's one line, and a second line, and one third line. Once you've created this list, you can select one of these prompts. You can see it's appeared in the background. And then you can load in an image and associate that image with that line of text. Now this is any BMP file, so you can download anything from the internet or pictures that you already have. Similarly, we can load an audio file, or we could load a video file. With audio, we also have the option that you can simply record within this dialog the text that you wish to appear with the recording. So, for instance, we can record something here now. This is a test, and we can select this prompt list now. It'll ask you whether you want to save, and there you've got your new prompt list.